Start. Hello. So this is the hanging bridge, and this is very. His name itself means happiness. This is Santosh,
Yes.
and Santosh is part of Hyderabad Travel Diaries. So why do you think people should opt for Hyderabad Travel Diaries over the other kind of traveling groups?
You're asking me?
Yes, yes.
It's an
I mean,
amazing. This is the new one they invented right now itself.
correct.
This is not in a plan actually.
Correct.
So we got an information from somebody else.
Yes.
So travels has been like they have covered two more extra for us. Like
Okay.
this is one what we are
Oh,
right
they've
now.
included it. Wow,
Yes.
see?
So this is the one, and another is one more. Like we'll be posting a video.
Correct.
It's in a beach.
Correct.
One more beach. So this is a river.
And wow.
This will be linked up to the
Yeah, it's almost. The whole bridge is shaking. Yeah, this is a bit freaky.
hanging bridge.
It is called hanging bridge. But my God, so in case families with young children want to join, especially with small kids, so these are the sort of activities that even a child can enjoy, right?
Yes,
So-
yes, exactly.
so,
This-
that's what-
Can you show my entire
The
team
is
on,
here.
on a bridge and they are dancing
Oh
like
man, this is. Oh God, yeah, this is frame.
Stop!
And this is a bit freaky. So I think I'll stop
And
recording
this will be covering to that another beach.
beach.
The,
Yeah.
in that.
Correct. So awesome, yeah. So Hyderabad Travel Diaries it is, and I'm just waiting to enjoy this place now. So on
Bye-bye,
that note,
bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And please subscribe.